Welcome to M Classroom GK section. This video includes 25 GK questions and its answers. It also includes a question paper which is available in the description box. And please subscribe our channel. First question. The battle that put an end to Vijayanagara dynasty. Talikota battle in 1565. Question number 2. What is the old name of Vadodara? Baroda. Question number 3. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? Razia Begum. Question number 4. Which city was the second capital of Kanishka? Madura. Question number 5. Who was the most powerful ruler of Shaka dynasty? Rudradama. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Talikota battle in 1565. The battle that put an end to Vijayanagara dynasty. Baroda, the old name of Vadodara. Razia Begum, the first woman ruler of Delhi. Mathura, the second capital of Kanishka. Rudradama, powerful ruler of Shaka dynasty. Okay, now we can move on to next section. Question number 6. Who is the first opposition leader of the Lok Sabha with cabinet rank? Y.B. Chavan. Question number 7. The maximum number of candidates that can be accommodated when election conducted using electronic voting machine including nota. 64. Question number 8. Maximum number of votes that can be recorded in the electronic voting machine. 3840. Question number 9. The first district in India where all villages have telephone connections. South Canara. Question number 10. The first television center in India was established in which year? 1959. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Y.B. Chavan, the first opposition leader of Lok Sabha with cabinet rank. 64. The maximum number of candidates that can be accommodated when election conducted use electronic voting machine including nota. 3840. Maximum number of votes that can be recorded in electronic voting machine. South Canara, the first district in India where all villages have telephone connections. 1959. The first television center in India was established in 1959. Okay, move on to next section. Question number 11. Who is the winner of the first Vallathol Award? Pala Narayanan Nair. Question number 12. Brandon Channan is a character in the novel Marthandavarma. Question number 13. Who is the author of Macbeth? William Shakespeare. Question number 14. Who is the author of Kaviraja Marga? Amogha Varsha. Question number 15. Who translated Rig Veda into English? Max Muller. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Pala Narayanan Nayar, the winner of first Vallathol Award. Marthandavarma. Brandon Channan is a character in Marthandavarma. William Shakespeare, the author of Macbeth. Amogha Varsha, the author of Kaviraja Marga. Max Muller translated Rigveda into English. Okay, move on to next section. Question number 16. Who discovered dynamite? Alfred Nobel. Question number 17. Who invented steam engine? James Watt. Question number 18. Which is the star nearest to the earth? The sun. Question number 19. Which is the largest constellation? Hydra. Question number 20. Who invented vaccination? Edward Jenner. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Alfred Nobel discovered dynamite. James Watt. James Watt invented steam engine. The sun, the star nearest to the earth. Hydra, largest constellation. Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner invented vaccination. Okay, now we can move on to next section. Question number 21. Which country destroyed the ship of Greenpeace Rainbow Warrior in 1985? France. Question number 22. The first woman Chancellor of Germany. Angela Merkel. Question number 23. Name the currency of Japan. Yen. Question number 24. G8 was formed in which year? 1985. Last question. In which country the largest atomic disaster occurred in 1986 at Chernobyl? Ukraine. Okay, now let us see the last 5 questions once again. France. The country destroyed the ship of Greenpeace Rainbow Warrior in 1985. Angela Merkel, the first woman Chancellor of Germany. Yen, the currency of Japan. 1985. G8 was formed in 1985. Ukraine. In Ukraine, the largest atomic disaster occurred in 1986 at Chernobyl. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.